Today, we're introducing Liberty Park, the perfect student accommodation offering comfort, convenience, and security for your time in Leicester. Your room at Liberty Park is designed for both comfort and productivity, featuring a comfy bed, ample storage, and a dedicated study area to focus on your studies. Each room also has a private washroom and a fully equipped kitchenette for your convenience. Enjoy the on-site gym, included in the rent, or grab a quick snack from the vending machine in the common area. With 24/7 security, CCTV, and electronic key fob entry, you'll feel safe and secure at all times. Just a 10-minute walk to Montfort University, Liberty Park is ideally located with Lidl and Tesco Express only 4 minutes away. Parking and bike storage are available too, making it easy for students with cars or bikes. With flexible payment options and no deposit required, you can pay in 1, 4, or 6 installments and enjoy the benefit of an international guarantor. Plus, all utility bills are included. Book your room at Liberty Park today and experience affordable, convenient student living. Click the link below to reserve your spot now.